The most common input device used today is keyboard. What is webcasting? Correct answer is transmitting the video and audio on the internet. The common name for the crime of stealing passwords is spoofing. What is the function of a modem? Correct answer is modem converts analog signals to digitals and vice versa. Most frequently used social network for recruiting is LinkedIn. Computers manipulate data in many ways, and this manipulation is called data processing. To prevent the loss of data during power failures, we use PS. What is meant by dedicated computer? Dedicated computer is a computer which is assigned one and only one task. Website is a collection of all of the above. Means HTML documents, graphic files, video files, all. What is snowball? Snowball is a high-level programming language, HLL. Which of the following requires large computer memory? Correct answer is all of the above. Imaging, voice, graphics, all requires large computer memory. Which one is the largest space or data storage unit? Correct answer is petabyte. Properly arranged data is called information. Virus is vital important resources under siege. A commonly accepted proper behavior on the internet is called netiquette. Multi-user systems provided cost savings for small businesses because they use a single processing unit to link several dumb terminals. A set of instructions telling the computer what to do is called program. A set of wires inside computer through which devices are connected is called bus or internal bus. Chip is a common nickname for integrated circuit. Verification of a login name and password is known as authentication. Please see shorts video also for books and authors section. Thank you for watching.